Hi, welcome to Kyong's kitchen. 안녕하세요. Thank you for watching. Today, I'm going to share a very exciting recipe with you. Thanksgiving is coming soon, so called the vegan turkey breast without any cholesterol or saturated fat. So let's go and start. We're going to do the broth part first. So first you will need 5 cups water. Then you will add 1.5 tablespoon chicken-like seasoning, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon onion powder, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 2 tablespoon nutritional yeast flakes. And we are going to start and bring to a full boil. I'm going to turn some heat higher. Okay, next part, we're going to make the gluten. So you will need a blender. And first you will need 1 cup water. Then 3/4 cup raw cashews. And please wash it because the cashew started. And cashews contains high protein, carbohydrate, fiber, vitamins B1, B2, B6, vitamin E, calcium and magnesium, iron, potassium, and zinc. It's good for when you're tired, eat some cashews. When you feel like you have no energy, please eat some cashews. And also uplift your depression. Praise God for the wonderful cashew that He created for our health. Okay, next one you will need 1/2 teaspoon, they got stuck. 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1/2 teaspoon onion powder, 1/2 teaspoon garlic powder. Then we are going to blend it until creamy. So let's go and start. Okay, it looks like really creamy. So now what we need 1.5 cup, 75% protein gluten flour. Gluten flour is a protein substrate from the wheat flour. So this is protein. Because of that, we can make turkey today. And add 2 tablespoons and whole wheat flour. Then you need to mix thoroughly. Okay, mixing is done. I'm going to wear sanitation glove. I shared this recipe at 3ABN in 2006. So that's about how long ago? 16 years ago. Probably a lot of people never seen this program, so I am so excited and so happy to share with you. So we're going to put the cashew mixture. Okay, now it's boiling really good, so I'm going to reduce the heat. Yeah, until I'm ready. Thank you. Now we are going to mix this one. You know, one time I shared this turkey steak to someone that who never had a vegetarian or vegan turkey. And he said that, wow, this is really tastes like a real turkey. But I don't think it's really, vegetarian or vegan meat, you can never taste like a real thing. But at least if you're looking for turkey substitution for the wonderful holiday meal, then this is it. So I am going to spray some oil on the countertop. If you don't, it's gonna be stick. They make about 8 inches long log. Just work on it with your hand. Then I think this is about 8 inches long. After this, I'll be right back. I need a knife. So don't go away. My knife is over there. Okay, I got my knife. From here, you are going to slice it about 1 inch thick and put it in the boiling broth, like that. So maybe I'm going to put all of this because I'm going to show you the fish part of. So this is 4, 5, and this one, when you have leftover, you can put it in the freezer and it freezes really good. And you can start with your favorite vegan gravy. Or if you like to have my own gravy recipe, on YouTube, click Kyong Weathersby's vegan gravy or chicken gravy. You will find it. Okay? One more. And this, and once you put it in there, wait until it will bring to a boil. Then you need to reduce the heat and the cover for 30 minutes. Then it will come out, it will expand. So do not scare about the size, kind of be about twice bigger. But do not try to take it out right away. Let it kind of cool off. Then it's easy to take it out from the pan. And also you're going to have at least about 1 cup broth left over. Then you can put just 1 teaspoon, maybe 1 tablespoon. 1 tablespoon, what is it? So the cornstarch to make a gravy. So I'll be right back, so don't go away. Welcome back. We made some vegan turkey breast. This is how it looks. Can you see it? Isn't it beautiful? And this is so tender. So I made some gravy with like 1 cup leftover broth, and we add some like 1 tablespoon cornstarch. So you can serve with the gravy on top. And I have some stuffing. Maybe I will show you next week how to make a stuffings that you can serve with a turkey breast. Looks really, really good. If you like to see the close-up photo, it will be at the end of the cooking show. And a whole written recipe, click the description called more below the video. Thank you for watching. See you until next program. May God richly bless you.